for those of you guys who are wondering, we have a bunch of billboards ready. So we've got billboards for the entire week. So we're going to be doing a whole a week-long billboard campaign, okay? But outside of the billboard campaign, we just had the idea, what if we try and make this what if we try and make other viral ideas? You know, billboards are so yesterday and 10 minutes ago. What if we come up with other novel ideas to go viral? And so we actually just came up with some. Mark, you might, I'm actually really curious, Mark, which of these you think would be most effective to create. Because, guys, Mark is probably the perfect person to weigh in on this. So it's great that Mark's here. So we were asking about what other things that might be very expensive or difficult to pull off could we do that are kind of similar to the billboard, but do, on Sora. I guess video generation, that's taken it to another level, but here are the ideas. Fake high budget product launch events. So just like create like a tiny clip as if there was this big product launch event. Um, but use Sora and do it at like the Louvre or Times Square or NASA Space Center. Um, then another one, this one is a celebrity endorsement parody. So create videos or images of AI generated celebrities using, reviewing, or hilariously misusing your product. Be careful not to impersonate or defame people, of course, and frame it as what if famous person tried our product and use obvious parody to stay within boundaries. How many ideas? It came up with like 8 ideas. Next one is a giant installation art, AI edition. So generate visuals of jaw-dropping, physically impossible installations, like a 200-foot inflatable mascot, product-themed blimps uh, with the logo projected on the moon. Then we've got an AI-driven spoof Super Bowl ad. So make a short cinematic ad mimicking a classic Super Bowl commercial, but with exaggerated humor or self-awareness. Share as, here's the $7 million ad we didn't actually buy, thanks, Sora. Okay. I mean, I honestly think every single one of these could be cool. I guess the question becomes which one would be easy to execute. Okay, the upside down fail campaign. All right, giant installation. Hmm. Okay, I like it. So giant installation art blimps. Oh yeah, let me see if I can pull up the OG Cluely billboard, just so people. I probably should have pulled that up yesterday. Okay, here it is. Yeah, rage baiting people to comment on it. Yeah. So, yeah, so I like the idea. I saw a ton of people pulling that up. You could also apply the same concept. And yeah, it's kind of funny. Yeah, I think we do have to apply that same concept. You're right, Mark. like the ridiculous sponsorships. Yeah. Hmm. All right, we're going to try and create one. All right, let's see how our billboard's doing. I'm always curious at the beginning. 23 impressions, okay. Just to see how much is getting pushed. All right, we're gonna execute one of these. Let's also see what ChatGPT came up with for those ideas. Oh wow, ChatGPT came up with a ton of ideas. Oh my God, 20 expensive but free Sora ideas. Vegas Sphere takeover. Oh, I almost want to just generate every single one of these ideas really quickly, just copy paste quickly into Sora, and then we can go through it after. Because it's gonna be easier to visualize at that point. So we're just gonna we're just gonna get into Sora and start generating like a madman. And we can see the final generations. Mark, did you hit the gym today? Right now here it's the morning time, so I have not gone yet today. All right, guys, we are generating a ton of ideas here. Oh, we can only generate 5 at a time. Dang. Sam Altman. Sam Altman doesn't want us to use up all of his compute. That's okay. Once these are done, let's put in the next 5.